Hi there, today I will be guiding to how to use Jasper script. As you can see, I am on the home page of Jasper. Here you can see the icon Ask Jasper for Anything. If I click on it and write a prompt, like I am a YouTuber and my video title is this. Now write a whole script on this data. Then Jasper will do each and single thing by itself. But you will not a well-designed script using this method, because in Jasper you will find an application which is just for writing a video script. And that application is well-structured for script writing. You just have to write the title for your video. In order to get access of application, click on the option to start with an app. Or if you have not seen this here, then take a look. On the left side here, you can see the option of apps. Both are same. Click on any of these, and here you will find multiple apps which are for different purposes, like blog post, product description, Facebook post. Here are too many apps and it's hard to find the app which is for script writing. So here we will use the help of search bar, click on it, and simply write script. Once you write, here you can see an application which is for script writing. In order to use, click on the option Use, and then you will be redirected to this application. Don't need to change anything here. Look here, you'll see some options like purpose. Click on it and add the purpose of your video. Below you will see some quick picks by the Jasper, so I will pick from here. Share customer success stories. If I click on it, now here Jasper will ask to add some key point. If you don't know how, can you write? Then click on the option Generate Response. Then Jasper will generate a response by itself based on your purpose of the video. And it's a very good feature. And if it scroll down more, it's asking for the video length. Click on it and add your video duration. Click on this arrow and choose your video length like short, medium, or long. Mine is short. I will click on it now. It will generate the script based on the duration. Hit Next. And here is the video structure. How will you like the script to be structured? If you know the structure, then write by yourself. Even you can get the help of Jasper. Click on this option and you can see. With the help of Jasper, you can do each and single thing. You don't have to do it by yourself. Hit Next, and then will be saved. You can add some more context to your video like visual element, custom information, but I will not do it. If you want to add images, then enter in your script by clicking on this plus icon and simply write your prompt. But if you don't know how to write properly, then click on Next, then Jasper will create image by itself. Now the last thing you have to do is click on the option Generate. Now Jasper starts writing a full script. Now you can see a well-structured script. Jasper is saying from 0 to 15 seconds, we need to show the introduction of our video and then challenges. This one is solution, and it is the result on the last customer quote and call to action button. So it's a way by which you can use Jasper AI script, and that's it.